We appreciate you being here, since this program is optional and discusses best practices for your consideration. If you were thinking of adopting any of them, please make sure to review the requirements in your area/region with your broker, branch manager, or manager, including those related to contacting consumers. We do want to highlight the importance of the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, better known as TCPA. The general rules are that it's okay to call people if the person recently gave you their phone number, but remember to check the DNC list regularly if they haven't spoken to that person in a while. You will also want to check the DNC list anytime you don't have permission. Automated calling/texting platforms should never be used. Pre-recorded messages and artificial voices should never be used. You will be personally liable for any violations of the TCPA. We'll mention the TCPA a few times throughout this presentation. Log into mycbdesk.com and click on the MoxieWorks product suite tile. Select My Website. Go to Settings and then Site Analytics on the left navigation bar. Here, you can add a Google Analytics 4 code. This code will be essential for setting things up. In a separate tab, log into your Google Analytics account at analytics.google.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll be prompted to create one and set up a property. If you've logged in before, you'll see the dashboard. To set up a new property, click on the admin gear icon in the bottom left corner. Select Create Property. A property represents the website you're tracking data for. Enter a name for your website in the property name field for your reference. Confirm that the time zone and currency are set correctly for your region. Click Next. Fill out the business information as requested. If prompted about migrating from Google's old code and you're setting this up for the first time, select Skip for now. Under Choose a Platform, select Web. Enter your website URL. Note, do not include the HTTPS. Enter a stream name for your reference and click Create Stream. If a pop-up with installation instructions appears, you can close it. We'll use a simplified process for installing analytics on your Moxie website. On the Web Stream Details page, copy the measurement ID. Return to your Moxie website Analytics Settings tab and paste the measurement ID into the Google Analytics 4 property tag text box. Click Save when finished. The setup process is now complete. To verify, go back to Google Analytics and select the Home tab from the left navigation bar. Ensure your property is selected next to the Analytics logo. If the dashboard shows a user on the site, which would be you in the other tab, the setup was successful. Note that it may take 24 to 48 hours for the data to populate on this page.